Today, we'll be replacing the fuses on the AstroAI WH5000A and the DM130B digital multimeters. Unlike the other digital multimeters where some have only one fuse or they are labeled on the board, for the WH5000A, you will only need to remove the kickstand plate to reveal the 6-volt battery as well as 2 fuses. The top fuse is a 400 mA, and the bottom fuse is a 10 amp. Unfortunately, they are hard to see, but thankfully we have the replacement fuses labeled for you. Once the new fuses have been placed, put the kickstand plate back on and you're ready to go. For the DM130B, you'll need to remove the back cover of the meter. There will be 2 fuses on the right and left side of the board. The left fuse is a 500 mA and the right fuse is a 10 amp. Once the new fuses have been placed, put the back cover on and you're ready to go.